Hello everyone, the purpose of this video is to show you how to create a folder of files in your Canvas course. Oftentimes we might want to put several files into the course, but we want to put them all in one place instead of just having a long list of files. So let me show you first what I mean here. So if I look at this class, which is one of my fall classes, and I go to modules and I go down here, we'll see that I have reflection files on the topic of oral presentations. Come down here, I have reflection files on the topic of soft skills. So if I click on this page, you'll see that I have links to several files in here. And if I click on one of these files, I will see it open here directly in Canvas. So what I could have done is just list all of these files, these 4, and then sometimes I have as many as 6 files in a folder. I could have just listed these, just put the links to these on in the module itself, but it's neater to put it, I think, in a folder and to have all of these files together because they relate to one topic. So I will show you how to do that in the event it might be something you would want to use. So I'll come back here to my test course, and the first thing I'll tell you is you have to upload the files before you can put them into a page or a folder. So I've uploaded all of these files, and all of these have got to do with a topic that I cover actually in a different class, in the class I just showed you, which is power and politics in the workplace and conflict resolution and topics like that. So I've uploaded all of these PDF documents to this class. Now I could put these in a folder in this class. I could just add a folder and put all of these files into a folder, which I actually did in this class here. So you'll see that I've put everything into folders here. So this is my reflections folders for all of my topics. And if I click on these, you'll see that I have all of the folders. But this doesn't put a folder. You can't link to this folder in your class. So it'd be nice if you could, but maybe sometime we'll be able to. But right now you can't. You can use the folders to organize your files, but you can't link to a folder and an entire folder in your class. So the way we're going to have to do that is to create the folder. So we upload the files first that we want to put into the folder. Then we're going to go to pages. And this is one of the interesting uses of pages. So we're going to say add a page, and we're going to call this page Power and Politics. And then you'll notice over here that there are various things you can link to. I want to link to files. So I'm going to say files. And again, the files have already got to be here. So all I have to do is click here, click on this, and I have linked to that file. Then I'm going to enter and click on the next one and enter, click, and this is adding all of these. I won't put them all in, but I would just click on as many as I wanted to put in, and I would come down and say save or save and publish. So I have created that page. Now I would have to go to my module, which I don't even have any modules here, so I'd have to add a module that says, well, we'll just use week 1 since it's already here, and that's easy. I'll add a module. Then I would have to add a page. So I'm going to add a page, and since I only have one, I'm just going to link to that and say add the item. Now my page is in here, and all of my reflection files are on the page. And when I click on the file, it will be embedded in the Canvas course. So that's the way that you create a file in a folder of files in Canvas and then link to it in your course. Some of you may not do this ever at all, but it's a feature that I use, and when I didn't think this feature was going to be available, I was quite distraught. So I'm happy to know that the way we do it is a little different than we did it previously, but it is possible to do it. So to those of you who might use this function, I hope this has been helpful.